And this session is very easy, whether you are a good speaker of English language or not. If you listen to me, you can do that too, exactly. Okay, is everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
So the activity is all about, let me give you this disclaimer. Guys, when we talk about English language, my disclaimer is, this activity is all about English speaking. You know what happens sometimes? We actually speak English language, whatever, if anybody asks you, you simply say yes or no, yes or no. So I will be asking you some of the questions. You have to answer in any other ways. There should not be yes or no. If you say yes or no, it means that you are failed. For example, if I ask you, excuse me, do you live in Lucknow? So you are not going to say that, oh yes, I live in Lucknow. Because we have become habitualized saying yes, no, yes, no. You can use any other word. Yeah, sure, of course, at all, right? These kind of words, I mean synonyms you can use, but you cannot use yes or no. Any question if I ask you, it would be exactly interrogative question. Like I will be saying, excuse me, do you know me? So you're not going to say, yes, sir, I know you. You're not going to say that. Simply, if I say that, did you take breakfast? You will not say that, yes, sir, I took. If you say yes or no, so you're going to fail. You will be backside somewhere, right? So should we start, everyone? Yes, sir. Should we start? Yes, sir. Excuse me, you're looking like that. You're not ready. Yes, should we start? Yes, sir. One more time? Yes, sir. Fantastic. This kind of excitement I want. So, who's ready to come here exactly? Captains? Chitransi, come please. Yes, Chitransi, come. What's your name?
My name is Chitranshi.
Are you girl?
Right.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, do you live in Lucknow?
Right.
You have to say on the spot exactly. Do you live in Lucknow?
Of course.
Okay, do you know me? Say that, hurry up, you're taking so much time.
I don't know you.
Really? It's kind of Gangur Bijati, exactly, right? Okay, by the way, is this your mobile phone?
No, sir, it's not mine.
Okay. No, have a seat. Stand up. No, you cannot say no or yes exactly. Okay, let me call another captain exactly. Miss Abila, please come here. The winner will get a trophy exactly. So wait for the day. Wait for the time. What's your name?
My name is Sabila Ali.
Okay, are you married?
Of course, I'm married.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Vikas Bagh.
Lucknow is so bad city, right?
I think it's a good.
Okay, what's your father's name?
My father's name is Mashkur Ali.
He loves you, right?
Of course, he loves me a lot.
All right. Okay, do you love your son?
Of course, I love my son.
Okay, is this black color?
No,
Oh, stand up here. Okay, let me call the next one here, Miss Soumya Tiwari. Okay, I'd like to ask you, oh my God, are you putting 1 lakh rupees in your bag? So, I think that's so pricey exactly. Okay, by the way. What's your name?
My name is Soumya Tiwari.
Okay. Does your mother love you?
Sure, sir. My mother loves me.
Okay, are you in Janeshwar Mishra Park?
Of course, sir. I stand in.
Who am I?
You are my trainer.
Okay, I teach you daily, right?
Sure, sir.
Okay, where do you live?
I'm living Gomti Nagar, Lucknow.
Okay, fine. Is this park?
Almost.
Why did you come here?
Because we are doing some activities.
Okay, do you want to become a cabin crew?
Sure, sir. I want to become a cabin crew.
Okay, do you want to go for interview?
Sure, sir. I want to go for my interview.
Okay, how many friends do you have?
I have 7 to 8 friends.
Okay, do you love them?
Sure, sir.
Okay, do you go sometimes with them or not?
Sure, sir. I want to go with my friends.
Do you drink wine?
Almost, sir.
Oh my goodness, really?
Yes.
Do you smoke?
Not at all, sir.
Not at all. Oh, you did well job. Please clap for us. He's winner. In the last, you will get a certificate exactly, that kind of trophy exactly. Let me call the next one here, the captain, Miss Soumya Singh. Please come. Yeah, please stand up here. What's your name?
Soumya Singh.
Is this pink color?
What about you? What do you think?
I don't know what is this color exactly. The favorite color of girl.
It's a pink color.
Okay, fine. Do you like pink color?
Not at all.
Do you like yourself?
Absolutely.
Okay. Do you live in Lucknow?
Yes.
Yeah, oh my goodness. You have to stand exactly. Let me call the next one. Who's ready to come here? Is there anybody? Is there anybody who wants to come here participate? You are going to get a trophy exactly, right? And it's not about trophy. You want to come? Okay, Spurti, please welcome for Spurti. Okay. Oh, is this black color?
Of course.
Okay. Do you live in Jhansi?
Absolutely. I live in Jhansi.
Do you want to attempt Fancy?
Never.
Never. Okay, fine. Do you know me?
Of course, I know you.
See, because everybody has to reply on the spot exactly. If you think so, anybody can do that, right? On the spot, you have to reply. Okay. Is this coconut tree?
Absolutely, sir.
Okay. Do you come here daily?
Sure, sir.
Okay, fine. Do you know Janeswar Misra Park? I mean that Janeswar Misra only.
Sometime I listen about this park.
Okay. Do you learn English language?
I know English language and I am
Do you learn? Okay, sorry.
I am learning.
Okay, fine. Do you come daily at Well Talk Institute?
I came daily.
Okay, fine. Do you drink wine?
Never.
Never. Okay. Do you love your father?
Of course, I love my father.
Okay. Do you want to go back to your home?
Absolutely, but after some time.
Do you want to slap me?
Never. I don't want to do anything like that.
Okay, fine. Do you want to just give us party, like throw a party?
Definitely, after getting a selection, I will give party to
Do
all.
you want to slap yourself?
If I will make any mistake,
Do you
then
know Prime Minister of India?
I
Yes or
know
no?
him.
Yes or no?
I know him.
Okay, fine. Do you know Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Yes or no?
I know him.
Are you married? Yes or no?
Still not.
Okay, fine. Please clap for her. Wow. Okay, so now let me welcome to the next performer here exactly to speak in yes and no. But you have to ignore that. You have to neglect that. Let me invite a person. His name is... Actually, girls are first always exactly, right? I think girls are empowered. What about these boys? Let me welcome to Mr. Hers. Please come.
Discriminating between us.
It's not about that exactly. I want to empower men now, right? Already
Yes,
the
sir.
girls are empowered, right? So
Yes,
you need to
sir.
think about men as
That's
well.
why we have very low.
So why are you
population
not
right now here?
not that much exactly in comparison to boy? I think so. By the way, exactly. Do you love anybody?
Not at all.
Not at all, exactly. Yes, you have to think about yes or no, right? Okay. Do you love your parents? Yes or no?
Yes, I do.
Oh, yes, I do. Not yes. You're not going to use yes there. Okay. So I want to welcome to Miss Nida. Please come. All right. Okay, you are in the niqab. Are you Muslim? Yes or no?
Yep.
Yeah. No, you're not going to use that sana. But okay, fine. Is this red color? Yes or no?
Never, sir.
Never? What do you mean by never exactly?
Not. This is black color.
Okay, did you live in Lucknow? Yes or no?
I live in Lucknow.
Okay, fine. Do you learn English language?
I am learning English.
Okay,
Not.
fine. Do you live in Lucknow itself?
I live in Lucknow.
Are you married? Yes or no?
This time, I'm not married.
Okay, fine. Do you want to get married soon? Yes or no?
I will definitely marry soon.
Okay, do you want to go back from here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, sir. Not in yes. Not in yes. Okay, I would like to call 3 more people exactly because we have to jump to another activities as well. I would like to call who is excited to come exactly. I should not call. You should guys come. Okay, please come. Ikramul.
Thank you so
Are you from Bangalore?
No, sir, I am.
Oh my goodness. The first sentence. You're not going to reply in yes or no, man. Okay, is there anybody else? Anas, please come. Anas, please come. Yes. Okay. Do you respect me?
Of course,
Don't listen people. Hey, excuse me, guys. Don't support exactly, right? Okay. Do you respect me?
definitely,
Okay, fine. Do you work every day?
of course,
Okay. Do you learn English language?
yes, of course.
Yes, of course. Oh my God. Okay, I'd like to call Miss Prachi. Please come. All right. Is your name Prachi?
Of course.
Do you live in Ranchi?
Not exactly.
Okay. Do you want to go Karachi?
Not exactly.
Okay, fine. Have you come in Lucknow for the first time?
No.
No, oh my God. Okay, you took out your mask to say only no, right? Okay. Is there anybody else who wants to come here? Okay, Mr. Suhail. Please clap for Mr. Suhail. Hi, sir.
Hello.
You are thin or you're fat? Yes, sir. Tell.
I'm fat.
Okay. Am I thin or fat?
You are fat.
I am your teacher. Yes or no?
You are teacher. You are my teacher.
Okay, fine. Do you take breakfast? Yes or no?
I take my breakfast
Do you chew gutkha, pan masala?
sometimes.
Okay, fine. That's good. Do you smoke or not?
Sometimes.
Okay, fine. No, you have to say in the complete sentence exactly, right?
Sometimes I smoke.
Okay, fine. Do you take ice cream?
I eat ice cream sometimes.
Okay. Did you take before coming for the session? Yes or no?
Not at all.
Not at all. Okay, fine. Do you want to get married soon?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right, fine. Do you want to take me somewhere exactly?
In Generation Mishra Park,
We are already here exactly, right?
we go around.
Okay, fine. We just want to roam around all. Okay, fine. Tell me that. Do you know about Hazratganj?
Exactly.
Say that exactly on the spot. Exactly.
Exactly.
Okay. Do you want to start your own office there? Yes or no?
Never.
Never. Okay, fine. Do you want to get your beard saved? Exactly. Wow. It looks like sexually.
Maybe not.
Are you brother of sexually? Yes or no?
Secondly,
Sexually. You know, sexually. Sexually. Exactly. Are you the brother
Sexually.
of? Yes.
not at all.
Not at all. Okay. Do you want to be brother of Mr. Sexually? Yes or no?
Not at all.
Okay, fine. Do you want to slap me? Yes or no?
Not at all, sir.
Okay, please. Wow, yeah, zabardast. Fantastic. Stand up. So, how many people were winners exactly? Soumya, Spurti, Suhail, and only 3 people, right? Please don't forget that. You wanna come? Please, Miss Simran. Please come. If you want exactly, absolutely we will do that. Okay. Did you watch movie DDLJ?
Sure.
Sure. Okay. Are you from Lucknow?
Absolutely right.
Excuse me, are you smiling? Yes or no?
Never, sir.
Never. You are smiling?
Never, sir.
Are you
Not
in
at all,
Jensen
sir.
Park?
No, no.
Not at all. Is your name Ikramul?
No doubt, sir.
What's your name?
Anshu Sharma,
Do you love me?
I love you.
Okay, fine. Okay, do you respect me?
Yes, sir. I
Do you take breakfast?
Definitely.
Do you know me?
Yes, sir.
Do you fight daily?
I'm not fighting.
Do you fight daily?
Not at all, sir.
Not at all. Okay, fine. Are you married? Yes or no?
Not at all.
Not at all. Maybe. Okay, fine. Okay, are you married?
Maybe.
Do you fight?
Never.
Do you chew gutkha?
Maybe.
Do you drink wine?
Not at all.
Okay. Do you love your parents?
Sure.
Do you want to slap yourself?
Never.
Okay. Do you want to slap yourself?
Never.
Do you want to slap yourself?
Never.
Do you love yourself?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. Please stand up there. Okay. Do you want to go Lulu Mall?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Do you want to go back to your home?
Of course.
Of course. Okay. Do you know Spurti?
I know.
Okay. Do you like her?
Yes, I like her.
Yes. Okay. Now, guys, we have to stop exactly this activity. Do you want to come? Please come. I cannot break someone's emotion here if anybody wants to come. Is this your purse or you have stolen from somebody?
This is my purse
Okay, fine. Where did you purchase this?
from Aminabad,
I think this was costly, yes.
but from a shop.
I think it looks costly, yes.
This is not costly. This is inexpensive, but not
Okay.
costly.
All right. I think you live in Lucknow, yes?
Right. I live in Lucknow.
Okay, fine. You are learning English language at Well Talk Institute, yes?
Of course, I'll.
You live in Lucknow, right?
I know.
I know, nahi, I live in Lucknow.
I live in Lucknow.
Okay, fine. Do you wear specs every day?
Of course, sir.
Of course. Okay. Do you like your mothers?
Of
Mother,
course.
not mothers, mother. I'm sorry.
Of course, I love my mother.
Do you want to do business in the future?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Do you want to smoke Hati ki bedi today?
Never. I don't want to do.
Okay, fine. What do you want to do today?
I just want to eat ice cream.
Okay, fine. Red color or blue color?
White color.
Okay. Is your favorite color white? Yes, I think so. Yes. Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir. Hey, God. I think.